Hi everyone! In this video I am going to make a surveillance car using ESP32 camera module. I will show everything step by step. So please watch the full video without skipping anything part. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell button to get the notification of new videos. Here we need a ESP32 camera module. L298 and motor driver. 4WD car chassis. Let's assemble the chassis. Now connect both negative terminal of right motor together and both positive terminal of right motor together. Similarly connect the left motor terminal. Attaching wheels. Make sure both motor running in the same direction. Now attaching L298 and motor driver with the chassis. Here I am using a 3-cell lithium battery holder with toggle switch. Now connect the both left and right motor terminal with motor driver. Connecting the positive terminal of battery with motor driver's 12-volt input, and the negative terminal of battery with the ground of the motor driver. Now using a PVC board to attach the camera in the front of the car chassis. Now taking some wires and connecting them with the following pins of the camera module. Connecting the VCC of camera module with the 5-volt output terminal of motor driver, and ground of the camera with the ground of the motor driver. Now short the enable A and enable B pins of motor driver. Then connecting camera pins with motor driver as like the table. Now connecting the camera module with computer via USB cable. Now coming in the coding part. First open Arduino IDE software. We have to install the ESP32 board in Arduino IDE software. Go to File, Preference. Paste the board link for ESP32. I've given this board link in the description. Now to unlock the code, copy this link from the description and open in new tab. Press on subscribe on YouTube button. Then subscribe to the channel. If you've already subscribed, then you don't need to subscribe again. Then back to the previous tab. You will see the link is unlocked. Now copy the code. Then go to Arduino IDE software and paste the code. Here you need to set the Wi-Fi name here. Then password as anything. Select the proper board. Then you can upload the code directly. I've attached the link for downloading the code in the description. First, turn on the Wi-Fi in your phone. You will see the Wi-Fi network of the camera module. Connect your phone with the Wi-Fi using password you've set in the code. You will find the IP address here. Now go to the browser. Then search with this IP address. Here you will see the camera view. Also have 4 buttons to control the car. Here also have 2 slide bar to control the speed of the car and brightness of the light. Here you maybe face this problem. When you press the forward, the car is going left, and when you press backward button, then it's going right. When you press the forward button, then the left wheel running in the backward. But it should run in forward. Hence, you've to interchange the left motor's terminal in the motor driver. Now it's okay.